Do you guarantee results? I get this question a lot. I have to answer this a lot on the phone, through DMs. Find me a marketer who can guarantee results and put their money where their mouth is. There is no one in the marketing niche who can guarantee results, okay? And whatever that metric is by the prospect, little known people can actually meet that. So when I'm onboarding a new client and they all of a sudden pull out the, how soon can I see results? Wait, I'm not ready just yet. How soon can I see results? Listen, I want you to go find somebody who can actually guarantee you results, and you're going to waste 30 days not getting the results that you want. Yes, you might get a refund because that's all you care about, but then you're going to be stuck at square one again. If you keep searching for guarantees, you're not going to explore the impossible. You're going to keep exploring the safest route, and the people who make the most money never take the safest route. I will sign with people who won't guarantee me results because I believe in them. You have to start believing in people. This circle of fucking safeguard you got to put around yourself to make sure you find people who guarantee you results. Sometimes it's your fault. Your offer sucks. You don't have the right amount of ad spend, and you simply don't have a good business model. That is not the marketer's fault. We have to get this status quo out of the air that marketers are supposed to save us from having a shitty business model. If your fulfillment sucks, if your product's not scalable, if your pricing sucks, if your margins suck, if your ad spend's not high enough, if you have bad customer service and you're getting a lot of chargebacks and refunds, if you simply can't get enough creatives to allow marketers to scale, you don't have enough ad budget to go across multiple traffic sources, no wonder why you're not getting results. Okay, you need to start taking risks. Take out a credit line. Go get a business loan. Go get something that allows marketers to use leverage. We need leverage. You have to use debt to make money. You cannot just use cash your whole life. And that's the biggest thing that I see is you want results, but you can't even get yourself results to start the actual result. You need cash, you need equity, you need better credit, you need leverage. Stop depending on marketers to give you these guaranteed results. There's no easy route in this game. Facebook ads are not a get-rich-quick scheme. YouTube ads are not a get-rich-quick scheme. I don't care who you find. Okay, most people are on Facebook ads and Google ads using Inspect Element and showing you outrageous results that are all fake and bullshit. Okay, I'm a very practical advertiser. I can tell you when something will work or not. I can tell you when I'm going to try something or not. I can tell you, is this a good fit? And if you're not, I'm not going to take your money because I don't want to waste your time. I don't want to waste my time. And I don't need that quick buck. So start finding people who have the credibility and trust. And if you have data, then you know an agency can help you. You know a marketer can help you. But if you don't have data, you're throwing shit at the wall. And then you want results guaranteed? If that's the case, anybody could be rich if everyone guaranteed results. It's just not how the world works. You got to get out of that mindset that you've been given since a very young age of be safe, get a job, don't take risks, don't get hurt. Wear knee pads when you skate, wear this when you're riding a bike, going down the street. You got to get out of that safe mindset. And sometimes you got to fall and hit your fucking head.